Is your product direction clear, or does it shift every week? The person responsible for defining that direction and maximizing the product's value is the product owner. The product owner is not a manager, secretary, or committee. They are the single voice of the customer and the business strategist for the entire Scrum team. In the next 5 minutes, you'll master the product owner's core accountabilities, their relationship with the stakeholders, and how they use the product goal to drive success. Let's start with the primary focus, the why. The product owner role revolves around one continuous burning question. What is the most important thing the Scrum team can do right now to deliver the highest possible strategic value? If you are building the wrong thing efficiently, you are failing. The product owner ensures the team is always building the right thing at the right time. This accountability demands discipline, market insight, and continuous inspection. It is the reason you are the strategist, not the administrator, for your product. Value isn't just revenue. It can be customer satisfaction, market share, or efficiency. Now for the what. Starting with the product goal, the product owner is accountable for developing and explicitly communicating the product goal. The product goal is the long-term commitment. It describes a single, measurable future state of the product. The product owner uses the product goal as the ultimate filter. If an item doesn't contribute to the current product goal, the product owner must be disciplined enough to keep it off the active product backlog, preventing scope creep and ensuring focus. The product owner must constantly inspect the market and customer needs, primarily during the sprint review, to ensure the product goal remains valid. The product owner is accountable for the product backlog, creating and clearly communicating product backlog items, PBIs. They write the what and why for the developers. Ordering the PBIs to best achieve the product goal. Ordering is the PO's secret weapon. They must balance business value, what the customer wants, with risk, technical difficulty, to ensure the highest value items are always at the top. The product owner is accountable for the outcome but must collaborate heavily. They gather insights from sales, marketing, and leadership to inform the product backlog and manage their expectations. Crucially, stakeholders do not tell the developers what to do, and they do not directly order the backlog. They trust the product owner to execute the strategy. The product owner serves as the bridge between the development team and the stakeholders. They must clearly communicate the product goal, the product backlog, and the progress achieved. The PO plays a vital role in all events. Sprint planning. They ensure the sprint goal is clear and provide clarity on the selected PBIs. Daily Scrum. The product owner is not required to attend. If they do attend, they do so as listeners and are available only to clarify the intent of a product backlog item PBI if specifically asked by the developers. Sprint review. This is their biggest event. They lead the discussion on progress, market changes, and most critically, adapt the product backlog based on feedback. Sprint retrospective. They participate as a team member, inspecting the process for improvement. Now, you might feel like we've only covered what to do, the role, and where to do it, the events. We haven't dived into the specifics of how to write those user stories or the techniques for calculating value and ordering the product backlog. And that's by design. Scrum does not prescribe any. Remember, Scrum is a framework, not a methodology. It deliberately leaves room for the team to choose the best techniques, or how, that fit their unique product and context. Don't worry, though, I'll be covering those common prioritization and writing methods in detail in future videos. If you're ready to master the how, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.